Okay, so we'll go ahead and try it as a walkie-talkie. Okay, I'm gonna finish up paddling in this area, fish a little bit, and then I'll paddle back over to the dock. Will you get the van and bring it down to the boat dock?
Okay, I will be there in a minute.
Sounds good. I'll be over there in a little while.
All right then.
Over and out. That was the call feature. Yeah, everybody, I don't see a problem using these as a walkie-talkie. Look how far away I am. So the actual, like where they are is over there, and that's where my van is. And look at the range on this thing. Anywhere in this lake I go. Now, obviously, I can use my cell phone a lot on lakes like this, but it's so much easier to just use a small walkie-talkie. She's over there on the beach, kind of swimming around, paddleboarding, and I'm just gonna do a little fishing and kind of like paddling out here in the deeper areas or way away from the shoreline. And the Retevis walkie-talkies have been absolutely amazing. I highly recommend these, everybody. This is something that'll be good for offshore, and check it out. I mean, I can use, if I want to go straight.
Nearly total since January 1st is 280.
Right there. Now I've got a weather radio. So I've got a weather radio, which a lot of times you need a weather radio when you're out and about. And they're waterproof, they float, they're pretty much indestructible. I will put a little lanyard somewhere on it. I think I'm gonna run a little lanyard right there and have it attached to the boat somehow. And I think that'll be kind of like the best thing, because right now I run it right here on my vest. I just use that clip and clip it down in my vest, and I think it's good to go. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the Retevis, you know, walkie-talkie weather radios, kayaking, offshore radios. See you all in the next video.